So today I'm going to be showing you how to pot up your propagations after they have rooted. I'm going to show you what I have going on. This is one of my propagation stations. I'm going to be potting up these right here. These are philodendron micans, and I've been wanting this plant for so long. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like a velvety texture. I have all my materials. I have my little soil mixture right here. I have some perlite, leca, orchid bark, and potting mix. This is the planter I'm going to use today. It's pretty cute. So this pot I'm going to plant the propagations in and set it in here like that as like a little decorative pot, just because this one might be a little too big for the propagations, but it should work. I like to fill it about halfway. There's some pebbles in here, so I'm just going to take them out because, oop, there's a gnat. I don't like you. Actually, I might need to dump some out. Okay, maybe like a quarter full. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, these roots are ready. I like to wait until my roots are like 2 to 4 inches long. This is probably longer, but it doesn't matter as long as you have at least 2 to 4 inches of growth. So now I'm just gonna plop them in. Oh, this one. Look at like the new growth coming out. That is crazy. I love it. Okay, I'm changing my mind. I'm just gonna pot it straight in here. And oh, I don't know where that went. I didn't realize like how tall these are, and I feel like they need more support. I feel like this pot is a little bit better. So forget the nursery pot, and it has a drainage hole, which is nice. Because if it does not have a drainage hole, then that's where you would need a nursery pot, so you can take it out and water it. But I'll just put a saucer under this one. I'm gonna fill this up with some soil. Again, it's about quarter full. Yeah, this is way better. See, you don't know until you try. This little guy, they're so cute. I love propagating things. Always have new plants. And I'm propagating a lot of things because I have a show coming up in August and I want to sell some plants. So I thought it would be cute to sell my own plants. And then as I'm filling it up, I like to just tap on it to kind of shake the soil into place. That way when you water, there's not like a big hole in the middle. Should be good. Since the soil is really dry, I'm going to give it a good water. And I will probably water from the top just so it saturates all the roots. All these plant accessories we have on our shop at peachyplants.com. This is one of my favorites, is our matte, mess-free repotting. And you can repot anywhere. So yeah, there we have it. A brand new plant. And then once this grows, I'll cut it up and propagate it again to give away to a friend or sell. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you guys want to see next.